Have you been wondering what to make this Christmas? Well, wonder no more. You can make these 3 beautiful German bakes along with me. Hi, my name is Wajila and I'm a teacher here at the Bread Ahead Bakery School, and I can't wait to get baking with you. With us, you'll learn how to make these beautiful Linzer biscuits, which are great to do with the family around Christmas, and they make for an even better gift. For our Poppyseed Stollen, you'll be mastering an enriched dough and really technical shaping, so that is a great one to have in your repertoire. And finally, you'll learn how to make these lovely pfeffernusse biscuits. All the classic spices are in there, so it's a great one to have this Christmas. So by the end of the class, you would have mastered these 3 signature German bakes, and we'll get you through the festive season. If you're interested in learning how to bake all 3 of these recipes with us, please join us on the masterclass.